In this video, we are going to see how we can log in to the Snapchat without the verification code. So if it is continuously asking the verification code and you can't get it on your mobile or on your email for some reason, here's how we can easily fix that. First of all, just make sure that you are using the same mobile with the same phone number that you are sending the verification code to. Also make sure that the email that you are sending verification code to is signed in on the same mobile phone. So sometimes it detects unusual activity if you're using that email somewhere else and you're basically sending the verification code somewhere else, whether it's the phone number that is associated with another mobile phone or an email address that is only signed in with another mobile phone. So that will cause the problem and it will not send the verification code altogether. So just make sure to solve that. But if you have done that, if you are using the same mobile number in the device and you are using or sign in with the same email and still you're not getting the verification code, what you can do is you just go to the Gmail and make sure to use the same Gmail account that you were using for the Snapchat, and you just write here support@snapchat.com, and here we will write recovery, and basically we can refine our email body just by writing something. Let me just dictate it on ChatGPT. So you can paste this in the subject or simply write recovery, it's your choice. In the body of the email, you just copy this message right here and paste it. So you can tweak it a little bit if it is not what your actual case is. You can just dictate it on ChatGPT and then just write your name and so on, and you just send it. In most of the cases, you will get the reply in 24 to 48 hours, and they will guide you the simple procedure, or they will manually verify your account and you should be able to get through. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.